Okay, just wanted to do a quick video here on the sheaths that I make for my knives. As you can see, they're double stitched. They're made from 9/10 ounce leather. That's a little bit over 1/8 of an inch thick. And as you can see, there's another piece that I glue in right here. That's called a welt. That's actually very important with pulling the knife out when it's sharp. It's a little hard to see here, but as you can tell, the knife goes in and rides on the welt as opposed to just sliding in and cutting. What you could potentially do is cut the threads on its way in. Okay, that's an extra step that is, in my opinion, quite necessary, because it's just not acceptable to have the threads cut on a sheath. And as you can see, these are copper saddle makers rivets. Okay, very heavy duty, maybe a little bit of overkill. I could probably use a different kind of rivet, one of those rapid rivets, but I like the look of these, and they're not coming apart, that's for sure. So these are all glued together with let's see, I use barge cement. That's a shoemaker's cement, very heavy duty. I just like making it as good as the knife. Now these, of course, there's a 3.5 inch Kephart and that reclaimed white oak barnwood I use. This one hasn't been aged yet, and of course I haven't put the edge on, but that's a nice little knife. Anyway, I'll put that one in there. We'll take out the other one a little bit. Now these are all, I use quite a few different steps in waterproofing these, and of course I have a colored dye I use as well to get that look. But these are all waterproofed as well. All right, there we go. That's a 5.5 inch blade Kephart, and again, the blade hasn't been darkened yet, but nice tiger on this one too. Anyway, both of these are spoken for. So as I mentioned before, please join my wait list, and that's the best way to get a knife. I try to put an extra one or two up every month if I can. Sorry, but a little bit of a mess here. And we've got a lot more videos to come. So, all right, this is not working. There we go. Lots more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you folks in the next one. Thanks again.